How to play Roblox on browser without downloading. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to play Roblox on browser without downloading. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Google Play or any type of preferred browser. Then here simply search for roblox.com. Then here simply tap on continue in browser just below the option named continue in app. Then here simply log in with your login credentials. After that you will successfully able to play Roblox on browser without downloading the Roblox application itself. So in this very simple step you could play Roblox on browser. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.